Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that promises to enhance your driving experience, the 15-minute easy-to-install backup camera. We found this product online and added a link in the description so you can check its latest price and availability. So, what is this backup camera all about? This is a plug-and-play backup camera designed to make reversing safer and more convenient. With its HD 1080p resolution and clear night vision capabilities, it's a perfect addition for anyone looking to improve their vehicle's safety features. Let's talk about the standout features of this device. First off, the installation is incredibly straightforward, taking just 15 minutes from start to finish. You simply connect the camera to the monitor using the included 4-pin video power cable, and then plug the system into your vehicle's cigarette lighter or USB port. Alternatively, you can connect it to your reversing lights, which will automatically activate the camera when you shift into reverse. When it comes to signal transmission, this backup camera excels with its superior stability. Unlike many other backup camera kits, it minimizes energy loss during transmission, eliminating signal delays, interference, or drops. You'll receive real-time HD images at all times, ensuring that you have a clear view of your surroundings while backing up. Another impressive aspect is its waterproof and weather-resistant design. The camera housing is made from durable ABS-TC material and features advanced nanocoating sealing technology, offering IP69 waterproof performance. This means it can operate flawlessly in extreme temperatures, from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, and resist damage from water, dust, and other elements. The image quality is equally remarkable. With advanced optical anti-shake technology and a high-performance SC1346 color image sensor chip, the camera effectively counteracts vibrations, providing clear and stable images even on uneven terrain. This feature is invaluable for spotting obstacles, pedestrians, and parking lines, making reversing not just easier but safer. Now, who can benefit from this backup camera? It's universally compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, trailers, RVs, vans, and SUVs. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or someone who frequently tows trailers, this camera caters to various driving needs. Practical use cases are plentiful. Imagine navigating tight parking spaces, reversing out of a narrow driveway, or maneuvering in crowded areas. The customizable parking grid lines add another layer of precision, allowing you to adjust the width and position to suit your preferences. If you prefer to park without them, you can easily turn the grid lines off. In terms of design, the backup camera features a sturdy yet lightweight housing made from a blend of ABS and PC metal materials. Its 4.3-inch LCD display strikes a balance between usability and size, providing a clear image without obstructing your view. The suction cup bracket is designed for durability and flexibility, allowing for easy mounting on your dashboard or windshield, and it won't easily detach, even in direct sunlight. In conclusion, the 15-minute easy-to-install backup camera is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's safety features. With its easy installation, stable signal transmission, waterproof design, and clear night vision, you can feel confident and secure every time you reverse. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to